What's up, brubbies? Welcome to a Warzone video. I've been playing some Plunder with Smashing Sunny. Make sure you go follow him. But if you saw my last video, you know I got the good class setup for the FFAR in Cold War multiplayer. Today I got a class setup with the FFAR for Warzone because it's crazy good in Warzone. With a twist weapon. Whoa, twist! The Krig 6, which is actually really good at far range, so if you're getting tired of using the Kar 98, then you can try this out. So here it is. First we got the FFAR. Oh yeah, we got it golden. So first we got the agency suppressor. You gotta do any suppressor in Warzone. If you don't, then I don't know what to say, because you get the sound suppression and damage range. So that's a no-brainer, right? Next up for the barrel, we got the Ranger, not the takedown, listen, Ranger barrel for improved bullet velocity. This because the Cold War weapons have a lot slower velocity than Modern Warfare weapons, so you need this. Alright, then for the grip, you'd think that you'd want the Field Agent, but no. Warzone decides to be hashtag not like the other girls, so you want the Bruiser grip, which actually reduces recoil. Again, this is weird. You'd think you want the speed mag, but no, you want just the regular 44, but in Warzone it's 50, so I guess that's a 6 bullet difference. Can save your life. Alright, then finally for the stock, we got the SAS combat stock or the Raider stock if you're crazy. Now, they both pretty much do the same thing in Warzone, even though it says something different, but they make aim walking speed and firing speed a lot quicker, but the Raider one's a lot quicker. So I would start with the combat stock just because you might not be used to how fast, and then after a while using it, I'd go to the Raider stock. Alright, next up for the Krig 6, our long range weapon. It's a pretty similar build. We got the agency suppressor, the Ranger barrel, the Bruiser grip, the 60 round mag, not the fast one, and any sight you want. 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 20 times somehow, I don't know. Alright, now I guarantee you'll like this class, and if you don't, then I guess you can sue me.
Move to the next location.
One eternity later.
Watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
That way, I got it this way.